Hey David, how you doing? Leo here. This is a video I was wanting to get sent to you. Something to help increase online presence. I know a lot of times companies have trouble with deciding who or how to even go about picking a marketer to help them, and it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So that's why I reached out. Just wanted to shoot you a quick little video, show you a couple things that you can do to increase your online presence. You're actually doing pretty good, man, to not have a website. But as you see, it's kind of like a sore thumb sticking out, and this is the second page. First page, everybody has a website. But I love this truck, man. This truck is awesome, dude. I love this truck. That's something I like right there. But you're pulling this rank, man, just from being, this is your GMB. You Google My Business, Google Business page. Just from that alone with the 49 Google reviews has really, really helped out. A lot. These reviews, man, they don't. Stuff happens. People make mistakes, and sometimes customers are a little crazy to deal with. So I totally understand. But like I said, I know you're super busy. I don't want to waste any of your time. So first off, the first thing we need to do is get you a website. Once you get that website going, man, I'm going to show you this is the #1 competitor in your area. Your homepage wants to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on it. And that's because Google loves content. Content is king. So as you see, the #1 competitor that's holding that #1 spot on the map pack is failing miserably at the content side of it. The back pages, each back page needs to have about 500 to 750 words on it, and also having keywords embedded in that content. That's something I'm going to show you here in a second. Now, what I do is I take these #1 competitors because, like, they don't have content, they don't have keywords. So what is it that's pushing them up above everyone else? And as you see here, it's their backlinks. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, and it shows me just pretty much breaks down into detail everything about that site, so I know why that site's ranking higher than others. And as you see here, they've got 2,000 backlinks, and I'm not sure if you know what a backlink is or not. If not, it is where this URL is somewhere else out on the web, on a blog post, guest post, review, somewhere, citation, somewhere this address is written in there, and it comes back to their site. So that is a backlink. So the content's the first thing, the backlinks. And then I click in these backlinks and I can see where they get all their backlinks from. That way, if you get a page built, we would know exactly where you would need to focus your attention, where to get the backlinks from. A lot of these are just citations. And a citation is name, address, phone number, also known as NAP. And that is where you would go, David, and put in your company's name, your company's address, your company's phone number. That would be a citation back to your site, and that would give you further strength and trust to your site. The biggest thing I wanted to touch on with content, like I said, content is king. Google loves content, and they like a lot of it. But within that content, they like organic keywords. Organic keywords that they have, they've got 700 of them, and it's driving this amount of traffic, organic traffic, just from their website with the correct words in there and the backlinks. This is what they're pulling extra a month. I'm not sure how much that would help you or not, but that's a nice little chunk of change extra just from a website build. Now, what I do is I can go down here and check out the organic keywords. There's volume and there's keyword difficulty. So Louisville roofing is actually a good keyword because if somebody's searching roofing Louisville or Louisville roofing, they're looking for work to be done. So this exact phrase is getting searched 600 times a month, but it's got a keyword difficulty of 31, which is really high. But that's fine. If we was to make a website for you and put this in there, it would eventually rank, but it would take a few months before Google would actually rank it higher because Google would see it, kind of give you a point for it. And every time they see it, you keep earning those points and it keeps moving you up. Roofers in Louisville is 500. So just these two words or these three keywords all together is 1,600 extra eyes on your site every month. So that's something I do, David. I just kind of crawl through these websites, see who needs help, where they need help at. Then I go to the number one competitor and see why they're being outranked, and then I start adjusting to that. I hope you enjoyed the video that I made for you, David. I would say that definitely the starting point would be a website. If this is something that interests you or something that you like, man, just give me a shout. My cell phone number is 270-841-3600. Or you can hit it back at the email that I send this from. I'd love to have your feedback off this, man, see what you think about it. But I definitely know that we could get you something going up there and get it on there to stick and push you on that front page. Hope to hear from you soon, David. Have a good one, buddy.